You got the mittens on. Ooh, it's that kind of day, huh? Jip, what's the weather like? Brick!
Yeah, go outside. Go
okay. Well, guys, we had an ice storm, and this is probably the coldest it's been in a really long time. So we're all huddled in the garage. Drew, where's your onesie at, though?
I don't know. We got the heat bumping right now.
That's true. Alright, so what is up, guys? Today is probably the coldest day of the year so far, and everything is frozen. It's awful. I'm happy we have heat in here. But we do have all the guys down here hanging out today, which is awesome. They just all went and got food. I already ate, so I'm chilling. But I got Tukey with me. What's up, buddy? So as you guys know, I've been trying to get a lot done in the videos lately, so we have, you know, some pretty good content, but it's kicking my ass because acquiring parts and affording parts is definitely not easy. So today we don't have any super fun parts to install, but there's definitely some stuff we gotta get done. I guess we can get right to work on the boosted Miata, because there's definitely a handful of stuff that we gotta get done, because not only did we put the turbo kit on, but we put the engine in and didn't fully finish swapping it. So of course, when you turbo on any vehicle, you're forcing way more air into it, which means you need way more fuel to account for way more air. So big one is getting new injectors, because you don't want to max your injectors out on like 2 psi and have no more room for power. That's no more fun. So what we did is the typical Miata upgrade, and that is getting RX-8 injectors. So the stock injectors are probably like 220s or 240s. These are about 440s, and they're really cheap, because I mean, you really can't beat it. Well, of course, we were lucky enough to actually get these from a subscriber a few months ago when we were doing RJ's Miata and having some problems with his injectors. We didn't end up using them, so we're gonna put them in Steffi's car. So we got these from, I'm gonna put his Instagram right here. Thank you very much. His name is actually Yanni, which I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. It probably isn't pronounced like that. I'm really sorry. But I guess let's just throw these in. So unlike RJ's Miata, the intake actually covers the fuel rail, which definitely makes things a little more pain in the ass. But it doesn't look like there's too much holding it together, so seems like we could just undo these lines, take a couple bolt outs, and the thing should just pop in half. Should come off if I got everything right. Hey. So it looks like even with the intake off, there's still a pain in the ass to get to. So let's get to all this out of the way. Right, so I got them out, and as you can see, we got little purple injector top feeds here, and we got yellow top feeds here, and they look almost identical, and they probably are. Nice and easy. Ooh, the Moe's Monday. Did you just get chips and that's it?
No, burrito, dog. You think I'm that broke? $6.91.
And of course, new O-rings. What's up, Donald?
What's up, Jimmy?
You smelled a lot of cologne.
I just left the
Tinder girls? Come on.
No.
Alright, DJ, you wanna help me put these injectors in?
Yeah, of course.
Alright, Donald, we have an issue.
What's the issue?
We can't put it together today.
Why?
Pain in the ass, right?
What do you mean?
Okay, so thank God I noticed now, because this would have caused way more work for myself in the future. So injectors are, sitting, chilling, nice. About to put the Fuhrer on, and I realized, you know what, something doesn't look right. We should check it out. I know nothing about Miata, so this is a learning experience. So as you look, there's one outlet on this bitch, right?
I see that, yes.
This is a VVTi fuel rail, which, I mean, this is a VVTi motor, but this is a non-VVTi chassis, which means something's a little funky. This motor was swapped in here, we know that, but the fuel system's completely different. So on the VVTi, after doing my research, the fuel pressure regulator is in the tank, which means it basically just has one feed up to the front of the car, goes into here, and we're good to go. So for this chassis, it's a full return fuel system, which means that there's a feed from the pump and a return to the tank, which means fuel pressure regulator should be on the fuel rail, and there should be a return on the fuel rail. So we can't use this fuel rail. What we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to get a 99 2000 non-VVTi engine fuel rail, put that in, and then convert it to work with these fuel lines, which is not gonna be hard. We'll show you how to do it in a few days. So I'm gonna order the rail now, and we should have it in a few days. We can get it back together, but sorry for this, it's kind of a bust, but we're still gonna go on. That sound good?
Yeah.
It's a learning experience, right? What do you think, DJ?
I think it's great.
I guess we'll just move on to the next thing.
Animal style.
Getting pumped for next season? You're hiding.
You're hiding.
I know. You're hiding.
More than this.
You don't even have the motor in your car. When's the last time you looked at it?
It's downstairs, so today.
Did you? You didn't even go downstairs. You came straight
When's the
up
last
here.
time a wrench touched your car?
Oh. Yeah, last time I drove it.
Ooh,
When's
let
the
me
last
sign
time
him
you
right
drove your?
quick. Put him
When's
on the
the
grill.
last time you drove your bucket over there?
Never.
Exactly. So
Because we pulled the motor as soon as I got it.
yeah, because you're like, okay, so I'm not gonna drive it, so I'll pull the motor.
Oh, sorry, it's January and actually negative.
Okay, so
14.
why am I gonna touch my car? Exactly. You proved both of us wrong. We're both hiding right now. We'll come out swinging next spring. Thank you.
Don't get me started on you two. You just came out with a genius idea. Want to explain to him, Chip?
We're gonna tie a rope to the box and pull Tucker around.
We're gonna see if that could pull Tucker. We think it can. It has enough grip. We'll find it.
It's about to rip though. We gotta put him in the big.
That's why I brought this box.
You really think it could actually pull him?
I don't know. He is a fat bear. He is.
He's a big bear.
He is 30-something pounds. He's not that small of a dog, huh? Look where the shot.
You ready? Yep. Go. Dude, that thing shoots ice.
I don't think he. I don't think he noticed Chip on the back. I don't think he realized you were on the back.
Oh my god, dude. Dude, my shoe got smoked.
Oh no, not the Jays. Let's get back inside. It's so
Oh
cold.
my god, dude.
Oh boy, we got some emergency issues happening. So Brad just got out of work and his car's smoking really bad and there's oil everywhere. Don't know why. Perfect day for this to happen. All over there.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's a lot of oil.
That's a lot of oil.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, that one hurts. The wind. Oh wow, your motor mount is full.
Yeah, it's currently 1 degree out. Just so you guys know.
Oh my god, yeah, you can see it dripping. Let's try to make room inside the garage.
Yeah, we'll bring this in.
Of course, Ryan decided to fix his Civic tonight, so we gotta quickly throw a Civic together so we can get B's car in the garage. Oh my god, it's so cold.
DJ! Oh no! A leak!
We gotta fix a Honda in order to fix a BMW.
How does it make you feel?
I was in the middle of this and I took a break and Brian came here and
break
wanted
for
to
what?
fix a car. Homework?
Homework.
Yeah, right.
Homework.
This should be good enough for a Honda, I think.
Spit on it.
Dude, look at this intake piping.
Look at the intake. It's smaller than your intercooler pipe.
Smaller than what, Wavy, huh?
I don't know.
It's smaller than your wiener.
Ask my girlfriend.
No, I think it's got you beat.
Yeah, I think so too.
What are you doing over
My
there?
shoes are gonna drip on my feet. Turn me around.
Eat that ass.
Turn me around. Facing the wrong way.
Take a change.
This is the one and only time this fucking hatch will be on this channel.
Till we get coilovers, guys. Static gang.
No
one wants to
wheels,
see
no
that.
wheels, and then he's gonna have the stupid steelies on some blown ass Racelands he found on JDM CT Craigslist.
$25.
Yeah, he's gonna order the eBay sleeves. Yo, they're just the collars. No. Come on. Row, Jimmy, row.
Heave!
Look how much
Ho! Leave! Cruise a hole!
Oh, my feet, my feet.
To the left. Go. Right there. Drop anchor, drop anchor.
Let's see what's broken. There we
go,
go, folks.
Oh, there's a wench in there.
Oh, he's got it.
Lay down.
Half ones in the back too.
Lay down. Jimmy, check. Talk to move, Jip. He doesn't want you.
This just started leaking. Put the half moons in first.
This is all fresh.
The gasket just sits in the valve cover. Come on. Slide it over.
See that?
Come on. Yeah, that's
It's all fresh.
Look, that was never like that. Leaking before. No, it was never like that.
Making me work over here.
He feels the loose traction on the glass.
He's got hill assist.
No,
There's like an internal fucking thing where the breather.
He's got the snows on. Yeah, back it up.
he's like, yeah.
You got your back on the.
All right, B, what's happening right now? Pull the dipstick, and it was all pressurized.
Yeah, which is weird, but there's not an excess of anything, and there's the right amount of oil. So maybe I just have a really bad PCV system.
So something's pressurizing the oil, which means that either like the PCV system's clogged, or possibly blowing a head gasket or something stupid like that. So we're gonna see. So if it got pressurized, it could easily blow out the valve cover gasket. It's very common, so we'll see. Do I have salsa on my face? I just ate a lot of salsa.
Nah, you're good.
Definitely super cruddy in the PCV system.
Oh, thank you, I appreciate it. How's the PCV looking, crusty?
Really crusty.
That's one would think. Oh my god, look at the inside of it, you can see it.
Yeah, that's
a dirty hole.
That's pretty bad.
I've seen a lot of dirty holes in my day, but that's one dirty hole.
Yeah, that's a real dirty hole.
So it can't hurt to do your valve cover.
He loves the camera.
Get that shit out of my face right now.
Here?
Yeah.
Is that it?
There's always something.
There's some, yeah, of course.
There's some wires, there's some shit.
There we go.
Damn.
It's pretty
Oh my god.
shitty looking.
Look at all that.
She a little sluggy.
Oh boy.
Sheesh.
You can see where the oil was coming out of the valve cover. I mean, it's soaked right there. And there's definitely some oil sludge underneath the valve cover, which is very common in like very cold times of the year. So we're not worried about that. It's not covering everything else underneath like it would if the head gasket was actually blown.
No, it's
What are you cleaning this with? I always smell assorted fluid. You don't have any carb cleaner?
no, we don't have shit.
My bad.
It's not your fault. I was gonna get it. I forgot.
Good work, Jizza.
Yep.
30 minutes later. You straight. I want to just hand up to you. I didn't even film it. B went out and we got the gasket. Luckily they had it in the store right next door to us. That was pretty cool. But
Ran out of toilet paper and I had to use my hand. Dude.
wash your hands, you gross bastard. So, I just remember that Kenny actually used to have an NB Miata that he like parted out or something happened to it. But there's a small medium possibility he might actually have the fuel rail that I need to put this thing back together. So we're gonna run the Kennys, dig through some shit, and hopefully we can find a 99 to 2000 NB Miata fuel rail.
I hope you guys find it. Good luck.
Thanks, B. I hope you have good luck with your
Trigger. What? Yeah, thanks. I just had good luck there. I could have roasted my hand. Hell's wrong with this kid?
He's got problems. What the heck are you getting yourself into? This all I see is regret.
No, it's just a lot. All at
A lot of regret?
It's a lot.
Oh my god. This had a full interior in it the other day.
Okay, let's not get carried away. The other day was 2017.
Okay. You know what? I'm very proud. I'm very proud. This is gonna be sick.
It's about halfway done.
Oh yeah.
So.
Yeah, totally in this pile.
It's definitely in that pile.
Ooh, I see Nissan stuff and Subaru stuff. No bueno. What the hell? An LS throttle? Kenny, you're mixing domestic and import right here. You can't
really?
do
Isn't
that.
that what you do best, Jimmy?
You got a point there. He's not wrong.
Training. Need an MB training?
MB training. I know, training. DJ, you like trainings, don't you?
It depends.
I know, the purple stitching. This would be perfect for your Sylvia.
No, I'm looking at those dudes.
Oh my god.
What you know about lips, boy?
How much camera do you think you need for those things, huh?
Little bit.
Oh, look at it. Stretched tires, doggy.
Woo! Woo! You think we can get those to fit?
I know, probably just as well as your VSK.
No, the fender will sit like right
here. Kenny, I'd like to say you have a lot of bullshit, but you don't have the bullshit that we need.
Did I fail? Did I fail the challenge?
You know how I feel about failure. It's okay. It's cool. We looked, and that's all that matters. So looks like I'm gonna be ordering one tonight. Luckily, they're cheap. I found them on eBay for like $30. which is sick, so it'll do the job. At least we got the coming bug, Kenny. Now get back to work, boy. What are you doing?
What'd you drop?
I got it. I got the missing thing. It was this. I found it. It fucking was, unfortunately.
Oh my god, come on, get the squeegee, doggy. How's it coming? It's 20% off.
I lost one of these earlier, and then as I was putting this on, I even went ahead and I was gonna use this thing, and I drilled it out so it would work, and then I found some washers, but I was putting the valve cover on, and it just fell down there. I heard a noise, it was like ding, and I was like, "There's the thing!"
You're doing wonderful, B.
Thanks. This one I made custom.
I love surprise maintenance.
Yeah, surprise maintenance, the best kind.
Thank you, Jack.
Can you forget a Clippy boy?
I don't know. Oh yeah, I know what that's for, but then
I coined the finished.
magic of editing. That'll be sick.
All right, Brian's car is fixed. It's easy as that. We were a little worried it could be something worse. I know it's not exciting. We did a valve cover gasket, but whatever. Today was probably the worst day that's gonna happen. Literally the coldest day of the year, but it was still a fun time. I hope you guys still liked today's video, even though we didn't have nothing too crazy going on. Now, we need to get that fuel rail and pieces to make it work, and we should be good to go. And we'll continue our journey of getting those two damn cars swapped. So, I'm freezing, so we're gonna end it here. So we'll see you guys tomorrow, so you guys know how it goes. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and have a great night.
I'm cold-hearted and broke, I cold-started and choke. I grow part with my soul, the vote harder to grow. I know why, hey, I know why, hey.